When it comes to doing business and making money, there's always going to be a number of people who will be happy to break the rules to grab a bigger slice of the pie. And in the local business world, this translates into business owners cheating to artificially increase their Google My Business listing visibility in Google search results, or in some cases, purposely damaging their competitors' credibility online. Hi, my name is Matteo, and welcome to this new episode of Pronto Digital Academy. Today, I'm going to cover one sneaky Google My Business trick that your competitors are using to rank higher in Google Maps and how you can fight it back. Personally, I can't stand cheaters, so I thought it would be a good idea for me to show you one of the most common Google My Business dirty tactics used by unscrupulous business owners, which may rob you from getting more customers, and what you can do about it. This is known as name spamming. Unfortunately, this tactic is being used more and more in 2021 than ever before, as business owners are becoming more knowledgeable about how Google My Business really works. Having a keyword in your business name will have a major influence on how high your listing will rank in Google Maps. If I search for the keyword personal injury lawyer in Miami, you can see that one of the top 3 results have the keyword personal injury attorney included in their name, and this is no coincidence. The problem is that this firm isn't following Google's guidelines, which are very clear. Your name should reflect your business real-world name. In this example, the 3rd result is a firm called AJK Legal, yet they have added personal injury attorneys to their name. Adding keywords to your business name can propel your listing right to the top of Google Maps results in a matter of few days. This explains why so many businesses are willing to break this rule. The problem is that if you, as a business owner, are sticking to Google's guidelines, which you should, a lot of the businesses who use this tactic will rank above you illegitimately, stealing some of the traffic and leads you deserve. So, what are you supposed to do? Use a computer in the area where you want to find the spammers. Let's say you have a personal injury law firm in Miami in this case. You need to start doing your research now, okay? Open Google Maps from a browser and type the keywords you want to rank for. Finding the cheats is generally super easy. Just scroll down the list and check the business names you think look suspicious. Very long business names with lots of keywords in them are generally a big giveaway. Investigate further to verify if the name they're using is legitimate or not. To do this, I suggest you check out their website link, which usually should match what their business name is. If not, you know you're onto something. Then visit their website to see how they display their name on their homepage and represent themselves. As you're going through this exercise, create a list of all the spammy listings you have uncovered for each of your target keywords. Once you have a list of all the illegitimate businesses using keywords in their business name, it's time to use the Google Redressal Form. This form has been specifically designed to help Google clamp down on businesses who are misleading customers with wrong information or are acting fraudulently on Google Maps. You'll need to fill in a number of fields and specify which part of the listing is misleading or fraudulent. Once you've done this, you will be provided with a unique case ID and also receive a confirmation email from Google to let you know they will review your complaint. It generally takes a minimum of 2 weeks before the case is sorted out by Google. I believe competition in business is healthy and part of the game we play, but everybody should abide by the same rules. I hope you find this video useful. And if you need SEO guidance for your business, please visit our website at prontomarketing.com and fill out the contact form that's on the page. Or get in touch with me at matteo@prontomarketing.com, and I'm going to get back to you within 48 hours. See you next time. Cheers.